Hi, here's a new video for Power BI financials. Today's issue is I want to show the last 30-month trends with just one slicer, and I want in the slicer just 1 month. Let's hop over and see what the issue is. So on the right side I have a visual and I just want to show the P&L for just 1 month. On the left side I want to show 30 months trend. I go over to the slicer and I just select a month, and now you see the P&L is right, but on the left side I don't see 13 months or more months. I just see 1 month, and you can add some other filters, but I just want to have one filter and just show here the last 30 months. So let's hop over to the solution. First of all, we're gonna start with some acknowledgement for the master. He built a beautiful selection a few months ago, Alberto Ferrari. So I don't gonna show you the total video of Ferrari. He explained in detail and very well the technical side behind this. I just show you the solution and also a little bit addition from my side. So first of all, we're gonna create a second calendar table, and I'm gonna duplicate the calendar table in Power Query, and Ferrari did it in DAX. I do it in Power Query with a reference, so if future columns are added, you also have it in your second table. And I will automatically rename the calendar table, so you don't get confused in your tables on the right side in the fields. Is it my calendar table or is my calendar table my second calendar table, and I call it calendar table trend. Third, I'm gonna make an inactive relationship in the calendar and the calendar trend. Then we add this measure on the right side. That's I explained that the technical side, what you are doing here, is beautifully explained by Ferrari. And then we're gonna add the x-as, the calendar trend, to the visual, and that's the solution. Let's do it. So now we're gonna go over to the Power Query and perform step 1 and 2. I copy already the extra step. So now we go to the calendar table and we make a reference to the calendar table. Then we have a second calendar table and we're gonna add a new step. And this step makes that the columns are renamed, all with dot trend. We're going to rename the table, and now we are finished on the back side in Power Query. Let's go over to the data model. It's annoying, it's always on the right side, but yeah, well, you get used to it. Then we grab the table and we're gonna make a connection with date trend and date, and we're going to make this a relation inactive. The cross filter we set on both sides. Now we are done in the data model. Now we're going to go over to the other page. We're going to add the measure. I just copy paste the reference measure, and in the measure we use a new relationship. We keep the filters, remove the filters on calendar. Well, just see the video of Ferrari. Now we're gonna go over to the left side. We're gonna change the month from the normal calendar in a month from the trend. Yeah, small multiples, replace it. And now you see on every month the wrong measure. We're gonna now see the new measure based on Ferrari. And now we see the right amounts and we have to just to filter of to sort the month days in the new table in calendar trend on the right. So we go select the month calendar dot trend, and we're gonna sort by column trend. Unselect select in the right axis, and now you see the last 30 months from your filter. So let's try out August. Yes. Well, that's it. So if you like this video and you want to have the download file, go to the resources control reports, join our community, and also just hit some subscribe on YouTube for some comments below the video. If you like it, thumbs up, and maybe some comments for new videos, or if you just like it, let me know that then I can go further with this kind of videos. Well, have a nice day. Bye bye.